Anvekar and all my IT award winners and all the IT related friends, my brothers and sisters. Congratulations to Goa Technology Association for completing the 4 years of the organization and second editions of the Technology Meet and Award Night. The participation of so many IT companies and startups from the Goa is very encouraging. It has been challenging time for every industry due to the pandemic, and I'm sure and moving to work from home will not have been easy for the IT industry. But I'm glad that the IT industry did bounce back and is stronger and play the major role in reviving the economy. The many congratulations to all the award winners. I see that the many of the winners are the young leaders and only make me feel positive for a bright future of the Goa. I will notate that and you have given the award for the research work undertaken at the college level. It is good to see that you are encouraging the such research and motivates our future generation towards the research and innovations. My government is appreciated for the contributions of the GTA and will look forward for working closely with the association towards the fulfill of the dream of the Swayambhupurna Goa. The appointment of the GTA on the investment promotion board is one such decision of my government for realizing the importance of the IT industry in achieving of the vision of Swayambhupurna Goa. During the pandemic time, the industry not only saved the job of the staff, but also created the many new jobs, and which is indicators of the industry reviving and opportunities ahead in the current IT companies in Goa have the capability to provide the 100% placement and to our IT students and graduating from the Goa. In fact, and I am informed that and we have the maximum campus placement already across the engineering colleges from the Goa. The MOU that signed between the GTA and the Future Skill Prime is a step for the right directions. The congratulations for extending these initiatives to the for Director of the Technical Education and Director of Higher Education will extend the support to ensure that every Goan to benefit from these initiatives from the Ministry of the Electronics and the Information and Telecommunications, the Government of India and NESCOM. The future, the Skill Prime platform will provide the opportunity to skill and upskill the bright talent from the Goa. This is a very much line in coding and robotic education in school, and which is the scheme of my government which is introduced this year. The GTA has put up the strong case of giving the government work to the local companies, and with the kind of the work profile of our Goa IT companies has been showcased. I am confident that the IT companies and startup in Goa and will be the global champions. I have already asked my departments to empower the local IT companies and IT startups and to ensure that the work being assigned for the local companies. Goa was one of the first 4 states in India to implement the startup policy. As of today, and we have the certified more than 100 startups in Goa and incentives have already distributed. But the government is committed to implement the IT policy as well. There is a few applications for this policy. I have been informed that there is 4 companies have already completed the necessary formalities, and we have shown approved that it is very shortly. I assure that and all the policy commitment will be delivered within short span of time. It is very important to showcase the Goa as an IT capability on the global stage, and the GTA has a major role to play to achieve this. The process of the Goa showcasing initiative by the GTA is very exciting, and I will extend my full support towards these initiatives. The GTA should work very strongly and closely with the Department of the IT so that these initiatives will take up the Goa at IT industry to the globally. We should now looking the export driven, and through also call out of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, which is the Atmanirbhar Bharat, and as we are saying, which is in Swayambhurna Goa. So I understand that GTA is already working with the DOIT team in highlighting the challenges and suggestions, possible solutions for the different departments. I truly believe that, and with this approach, and we shall be able to achieve the ease of doing the business in state of Goa. Our beautiful Goa is an ideal place for the IT industry to flourish. I use this forum to appeal the global Goans to come to Goa and work from Goa. In the next 2 to 3 years, so definitely I assure the best of the infrastructure in the IT industry to blossom the Goa, and we will soon have another IT conclave to showcase our Goan in IT industries. The GTA, we would like to drive this event, and with all required support in future also, in combined with our IT departments, will definitely the functions, otherwise for the award functions also, will do in combined together, definitely as requested by the Milind. Once again, I am congratulating all the award winners for the individually and for the different IT companies here in this today's award ceremony. Definitely, I am also congratulating for the Milind and his entire team for this organizing. This is good function, and congratulations for signing the agreement with the NESCOM, which will be the future generation for the Goa. Definitely, it will be the help in futures. Once again, thank you one and all.
So I kindly request you to please be on stage, sir. Thank you so much. We now have our President, Mr. Milind, to kindly come up.
I'm just requesting, big round of applause for our Honorable Chief Minister for giving us his valuable time and